So first method is over here. By preparing partner's capital account and partner's current account, we entered the capital entry in partner's capital account and all the adjustments in partner's current account. But in fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared. In the fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared, that is partner's capital account. In this account only, capital with all the adjustments should be entered here. With capital, all the adjustments. And on the credit side, capital entry and expenses of the firm should be entered, and incomes are entered on debit side of the partner's capital account. Combination of the partner's capital account and partner's current account under fixed capital is fluctuating method partner's capital account here. Combination should be made here. So first entry is capital entry by balance brought down. Tirupati's capital is 60,000. Tirupati's capital initial investment is 60,000 and Chauhan's initial investment is 40,000. And next one, all the adjustments which are taken under the partner's current account. All the adjustments, same adjustment should be entered with their amounts. So first one, interest on capital. Here need not to show working note because already I shown in the partner's current account. You should take here directly, that is amount interest on capital 3,000 for Tirupati and 2,000 for Chauhan. Next adjustment is salary. Both partner salary is given here, per month salary, that is same as in what we are taken under the partner's current account. No, that amount should be only you have to taken here. So by salary, so Tirupati's salary is yearly salary 12,000 and Chauhan also yearly salary rupees 12,000. So salary calculation is shown under the partner's current account. You should refer that. Next one, profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account, that is share in profit. Share in the profit. We already calculated that share of profit by the Tirupati and Chauhan. So Tirupati share in profit is 18,000 and 12,000 for Chauhan's profit. Chauhan profit is 12,000 and Tirupati's profit is 18,000. So these all are the expenses which are recorded under the partner's capital account credit side. So now incomes, debit side incomes, only two entries, two drawings. Tirupati's drawings 12,000, Chauhan drawings 8,000. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, we already calculated that 600 Tirupati's interest and 400 Chauhan's interest. So these only two adjustments recorded under the debit side. These are only incomes. So now close down the account. Total of Chauhan column is 66,000 and Tirupati's column total is 93,000. 93,000 Tirupati and 66,000 Chauhan. So put the same amount here, 93,000 and 66,000. So now difference is called balance carried on, balancing figure here. So Tirupati difference is 80,400 and Chauhan's difference is 57,600. These are the balancing figures. Balancing figure. This is partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. We completed here fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Under the fixed capital method, we prepared partners capital account by entering only capital entry and partners current account by entering of all the adjustments except capital. And one more, second method, fluctuating capital method, by preparing partners capital account for the recorded of capital entry and all the adjustments here. So this is the one problem dictated here.